One, two, and three. Hey, hi, hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. Today in this video, we are going to unbox this box which has a tripod and a ring light. And I got this just at 7.49 from Flipkart. So let's see what is the quality of video before and after the tripod and how we are going to assemble it. Is it easy? So we have got this ring light. Oh, wow. So we have got two things out of this. Let's try and assemble. So next we are going to do the assembling part. So this is the first screw that we are going to put together, and make sure the good surface, the plain surface is downwards. We are going to fix it. Then you have to fix the ring light to this. So there is a screw down here. This screw is going to help you for placement of your ring light. For now I'm going to keep it straight. The ring light comes with the controller, and here you can see power on off button. The intensity of light can be increased or decreased, and there is 3 mode of light that can be switched by the swap button. So first the basic fix is done. Next we are going to fix the mobile holder. For this, what you have to do is you have to place in the screw inside the rod and put in the rod. Then next you are going to screw this to the handle. The rod and the handle should be firmly fixed. So this is now tight enough, and you can see that the mobile can be added, and this rod is way too flexible, so you can move it according to your need, or you can place it accordingly. After the assembly of mobile holder and ring light is done, now it's time to put them together. So all you have to do is, there is a notch here to just fit in there, and you can turn accordingly. So basically this is way too easy, right? Finally, after putting everything together, now it's time to put the stand and ring light together. And all we have to do is just fix it. So make this tight. After this, all you need is a charger, and you have to plug in. Let me plug in this white, cool tone and warm tone. For the effect, this is the shoot before the ring light, and let's quickly do the transition of after the ring light. 1, 2 and 3. So you can clearly see the difference and why you should go with this. I rate this 10 on 10 and it's completely worth it. I'm gonna add the link in the description box, so go check it out and do like, subscribe to my video. Thank you.